pick up all these leaves tomorrow and burn them. Hi, my love.
It's more clean na. A little bit more. Not yet.
Yeah, if I cut all the grass, oh, it's gonna look so good.
So, yeah.
Very, 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 very good.
Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin walang hanggan. Inibig mo ako kahit noon pa man. Kailan nilutas view nga to. Di ka
You
nagkulang.
want to sell that?
Hmm?
You want to sell that?
What?
That one.
No, we don't have for food or for vegetables.
Oh, you're waiting for them
See,
to... Okay,
it's a
to be
lot
old.
of... Yeah, of course. We don't have any coconut that near the house. So just let... Oh my goodness. Not yet done.
So much to do.
But it's a little bit... It's a little
The
bit...
grass needs to be still. We cut.
Hmm?
This is only first day, so...
First day. First day in the month. It's may daghang pang trabaho onon. Sus kaning that's oh akong tanom. So a little bit here limpyo na gamay.
Grass is that side is quite good cut now.
Ah,
So baby.
busy cutting. Cutting lingkod ta kadali. Okay, we go now. You don't have.
Oh, we don't really have time. Don't have light.
Yeah.